Hello students, today we are going to study the 27th chapter of your grammar workbook, which is the monster. You can learn two things from this lesson. First, we learn to read a poem and answer the questions. And we learn to see a picture and then answer the questions. Okay, let's read the poem first. I thought I saw a monster underneath my bed. His tongue was yellow and his eyes were red. I thought I saw a monster underneath my chair. His face was purple and he had pink hair. I thought I saw a monster in my room last night. His legs were orange and his feet are white. I thought I saw a monster and that he saw me, but don't tell my mother. She'll be scared, you see. So, this is a poem in which the poet is the first person. Okay, the poet is telling us his story. What is it? That the poet thought, okay, he was thinking that he thought that he have seen a monster underneath, means under his bed. Okay, his tongue was yellow and his eyes were red. So you know the body parts. So his tongue was yellow and his eyes were red. I thought I saw a monster underneath my chair. So the poet even thinks that he must have seen the monster underneath his chair. But did he really see the monster? He did not. He is thinking that he saw a monster. His face was purple and he had pink hair. So the face of the monster was purple and the hair of the monster were pink. I thought I saw a monster in my room last night. His legs were orange and his feet were white. Okay, so he is thinking that he must have seen a monster in his room last night. That means the night before. His legs were orange. Okay, his legs were orange and his feet were white. Here you can see orange. This is leg. Okay, and this is feet. Feet has toes on it, so his feet were white. I thought I saw a monster and that he saw me. Okay, the poet thinks that when he was seeing the monster, he was watching the monster, even the monster was looking back at him. But don't tell my mother, she'll be scared, you see. So the poet doesn't want to tell his mother that he has seen a monster underneath his bed, under his bed. Okay, where did he saw a monster? Underneath his bed, underneath his chair, and in his room. Okay, he keeps seeing this monster. But you see, the poet is a very brave child. He does not go and scare his mother. Is he scared of the monster? He is not. But he thinks that if he tells his mother will be very scared. Okay, this is a very short and sweet poem. So now we have to answer some questions regarding this poem. Okay, let's see what the questions are. First, so you have to tick the correct options. Now you've read the poem. Now you have to tick the correct options. Let's see. What kind of monster did the child see under his bed? A monster with red tongue and white eyes? Was it? No. A monster with a yellow tongue and red eyes? Yes, it was a monster with yellow tongue and red eyes. So you tick the B option. What kind of monster did the child see under his chair? So what kind of monster? Okay, what does he tells us about the monster when he sees underneath his chair? Okay, let's see. Underneath my chair, his face was purple and he had pink hair. Okay, did he have red hair and orange face? No. Did he have white face and yellow hair? No. The monster, when the poet saw underneath his chair, the monster's face was purple and his hair were pink. So you correct the B option. Did the monster notice the child? That means, did the monster see the child? Let's see. I thought I saw a monster and that he saw me too. Okay? That is when the poet is telling that the monster also saw him. So he noticed the poet, he noticed the child. So we say yes. So I want you to solve the rest two on your own. Let's see if you can do it. Now, write whether the sentences are true or false. Okay, I am not going to tell you the answers. You have to go back to the poem, read it, and answer these questions whether these are true or false. Let's just try and do one. The child saw a monster with orange legs in his room. Were the legs orange? Let's see. Yes, his legs were orange. So you will write over here true. The child saw a monster with orange legs. So similarly, you have to go back to the poem, read it, and answer these questions. By going back, reading the poem, you will understand the poem even more. So write the full forms of these words. So don't and shield are the contractions of two words. Don't is the contraction of do not. You have to write the full forms of shield. Okay, I told you the first. It is do not. Underline the nouns and circle the verbs in these sentences. You know what are verbs, and we have studied a lot of types of nouns by now. So you have to underline the nouns and circle the verbs. Okay? First, E. Find words from the poem which mean the following. So you have to give the synonyms of the words. Let's see. These words, the synonyms of these words are in the poem. Okay? So demon. Demon means monster. Below means underneath. Afraid means scared. Say means tell. Okay, all the words which I told you, they are in the poem. Okay, so you have to write the answers over here. Find the opposites. Like we found the synonyms, same word meaning. Now we have to write the opposites. So the opposite of above will be underneath. The opposite of day will be night. Black will be white. And brave will be scared. Those are all opposites. And how do we write opposites? We make an X, okay? So write the X near the above, day, black and brave, and write the correct answers. So I hope today you were able to learn and understand how to write answers, how to answer the questions by reading a poem and by looking at the picture. Thank you.